Kumiko, the word itself, means to piece together small things. And each of us, each interaction are those small pieces. Minasan konnichiwa. My name is Julia Momosé, and I am the creative director of Kumiko in Chicago. I am so excited and honored that Kumiko has been named the recipient of the Michter's Art of Hospitality Award for North America's 50 Best Bars 2026. At Kumiko, we love to pair food and drink for our guests. It's the idea that a sip and a bite alongside each other can enhance both the drink as well as the dish.
Hospitality, to me, it's making sure people feel very comfortable. When people leave Kumiko, I want them to feel satisfied. Like, they're very happy with what they got to try. Maybe they tried something new.
The team is the most important thing at Kumiko. The way in which we work and succeed is through the labor and love and talent of people. The Michter's Art of Hospitality Award is an incredible honor to us. It means that people are happy, and maybe when they're leaving, they're thinking about the next time they want to come in.